English is not just a subject. English is a language, and every language is learned in the same way. Think about how a child learns their first language. First, the child listens. Again and again, the child listens. Then the child repeats the words. Slowly, step by step, the brain begins to understand. This is the first rule of learning a language. Listen again and again. When we hear words many times, our brain starts connecting them with pictures and objects. When we hear the word apple, we should see an apple in our mind. When we hear the word run, we imagine someone running. This is how real language learning happens. If we always translate words into another language, learning becomes slow. But when we connect words directly with pictures and actions, our brain starts thinking in English. And this is exactly what this channel is made for. On this channel, your child will see the object, hear the word, repeat the sentence, and learn the action. By watching these videos again and again, children will naturally start understanding and speaking English. So parents, students, and teachers, watch these videos regularly. Let your children watch them every day. Listen, repeat, and learn together. Also share these videos with your family, friends, and students so more children can learn English easily. Remember, English is not difficult. It only needs listening, repeating, and practice. And English is a powerful language, a language that opens doors to education, opportunities, and success around the world. Start today. Watch, listen, repeat, and enjoy learning English. Thank you.